Hi there, students. Arable. Okay, arable describes a type of land that is fit for cultivation, land that is suitable to be cultivated. But it's more than that. If you look at the origin of this word arable, it comes from the Latin word arabilis, okay, from arrow to plough. In Spanish still arar is the same. And arable land is land that you plough and then you put crops on it and they grow and you harvest them in the same year. Okay, so you plough the land, you turn it over, you till the soil, and then you plant some sort of annual crop and you get your production from that. So arable land is different from pasture. Pasture is where you take your cows or your sheep to eat the grass. Or maybe woodland pasture where you could leave your pigs to eat. Arable land, you need to plough it and then plant wheat or rice or some sort of annual plant to get it back. So arable land, an arable farm, arable farming. How much arable acreage does this farm have? So it's land that is you are able to produce crops from it by ploughing it or by turning the soil. And this idea of tilling the soil, to cultivate the soil, to turn over the soil, has been with us for a very, very long time. Okay, so arable land, it's suitable for growing crops. It's cultivatable. Yeah, it's not for as an orchard where you have fruit trees, and it's not the same as a market garden where you grow different types of fruit and things like that. No, arable land, you could grow potatoes in arable land. You could grow rice, you could grow all sorts of things, but arable land, land that is suitable for growing crops. Yeah, so normally most farms are a mixture of arable land and pasture for the animals. Yeah, so if your land is arable, it's for growing crops. Yeah, arable land, arable farming, arable farmers. So this is something that, well, has always been with us. Normally wheat or barley, yeah, but not keeping animals, not growing fruit, not growing vegetables. Okay, and this is the idea of arable. Let's see, I think this word arable is a technical agronomist word, so I'm probably going to give it a 6 in formality, but it is what it is. And as I said, so use it when you need it. And as to origin, from Latin arabilis, from arrow in Latin, plough, bilis, able to, so arabilis, you're able to plough it, and that's the point. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Arable.